Question 15. A spinner has coloured sections. The sections of different sizes. When the spinner is spun, the pointer lands on a colour. The diagram is not drawn accurately. The table shows the probability for the pointer landing on yellow and blue. The probability of the pointer landing on red is equal to the probability of the pointer landing on green. This is represented by X. Sarah is going to spin the wheel 400 times. Work out an estimate for the number of times it will land on green. Okay, so first of all, we have to find out what X is. What do we know about probabilities? All of these probabilities have to add up to what? 1. So we have X plus 0.35 plus 0.15 plus X has to be equal to 1. This means that 2X plus 0.5 has to be equal to 1. This means that 2X has to be equal to 0.5. So X has to be equal to, imagine this is a half, times it by a half. Because all we've done here is divide this by 2. So this means X is equal to a quarter, which is the same as 0.25. So we have 0.25. So let's write 0.25 in here, 0.25 here. Okay, now it says work out an estimate of the number of times it will land on green. What's 0.25? Same as a quarter. Okay, so this means that if Sarah's going to spin the wheel 400 times, a quarter of the time, i.e. once every 4 times, it should land on green. So an estimate would be divide this number by 4 or times it by a quarter. So what's 400 divided by 4 or times it by a quarter is the same as 100. So it's going to be 100 times. For example, if they said what's the number of times it's going to land on blue, you then just do 400 times 0.15 or yellow, 400 times 0.35.